Hey guys, welcome back to DTI Travel, where we make travel easy and not hard. And we want to be able to give you guys a lot of value on some travel perks. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the hottest travel perks in the game, and that is the Southwest Companion Pass. That's right. So on our channel, we will be diving deep into travel rewards and different travel tricks and tips that you can use to make travel easy for you and less intimidating. So let's get into it today and talking about the Southwest Companion Pass, one of my favorites. This is an incredible deal, essentially, for you if you like traveling with your significant other or a family member. This offers you a 2-for-1 on flights, meaning you buy one ticket and say you're traveling from LA to Miami. Your travel companion, your beautiful wife or your beautiful husband or your kid can actually travel at a discounted rate of only $5.60 one way. Now, it's not completely free because you do have to pay for the taxes, but that is an amazing deal. There's only one other card that I know comes close to that, but not quite, and that's the Alaska Airlines Bank of America card. But let's talk about the Southwest card in depth. There's no catch to this. There's no blackout dates. So you want to learn more about this no catch utilization Southwest potential card for your potential, you can actually get this for 2 years. You just have to map it out right. So I'm going to show you some different trips and tips for you to be able to get this for 2 years. That means everywhere you're traveling, you are rolling with your partner for free or pretty much close to free with just paying the taxes. So let's jump right into it, guys. Think of the Southwest Companion Pass as a buy one, get one for flight deals, and it lets you check out your chosen companion to be able to fly with you for almost free, right? We went over that. It's unique. It's a unique offer because it imposes no blackout dates or restrictions, ensuring your companion can always join you as long as there's seats available. Earning the Southwest Companion Pass. Let's go into that. Achieving this status involves two main paths within the Southwest Rewards program. Flying 100 one-way trips in a calendar year, or getting 135,000 eligible points within the same time frame. So most non-frequent flyers racking up 135,000 points is the most attainable goal, allowing you to enjoy Companion Pass benefits for the remainder of the year that you earn it and the entire following year. So let's talk about some strategy and timing the Companion Pass. Timing is crucial to maximize the duration of your Companion Pass benefits, of course. Ideally, earning the required points early in the year can extend your pass usage close to 2 years. For instance, right now it's February 2024. You could literally secure your pass for all of 2024 and most of 2025, which is doubling the value of your efforts. So you don't want to get this particular card in, say, the end of the year, like November or December, because you're missing out. You're only going to get a year and a couple months or a year and a month. You want to get this card in the beginning of the year so that you can get almost 2 years worth of benefits. All right, that is the gem number one. So how do you get 135,000 companion pass points? Good question. Glad you asked. There's several ways that you can gather these points to get the companion pass. Flying on Southwest, you'll earn every dollar spent on flights, with the amount varying based upon your ticket type. So that's flying on Southwest. You can get these points that way. Also, booking hotels and car rental partners. Booking stays at booking stays and rentals through Southwest partners can also earn you points. And then there's the Southwest Rapid Rewards credit card, which I highly recommend. Partner credit cards offer an accelerated path to points through their everyday spending, referrals, and most significantly, the sign-up bonus. That is it. The sign-up bonus, to get this right out the gate, is going to be your best friend. So getting that sign-up bonus propels you in getting your 135 points. So essentially, if you just use this card for the 2 years to be able to get in the sign-up bonus and just use it for the 2 years, if you're finding that you're not racking up that many points with it, at least you got 2 years almost worth of you and your partner, your significant other, being able to travel together for free or at a very discounted price, for almost like buy one, get one for free. So when utilizing your Southwest credit card, the fastest route to your companion pass is through the co-branded credit card, which we just mentioned, which includes both personal and business options. So you could do, the first time you get it, you can do it with your personal. The second time you could do it using your business. And that's the way you can get 4 years worth of companion pass eligibility. Applying for one personal and one business card and meeting their sign-up bonuses early in the year can swiftly bring you to the nearly points threshold. For instance, combining the personal card, the 75,000 points you get, with a business card of 80,000 points, you can then exceed the amount of 135,000 points. So say, for instance, you want to do that right away. You want to be able to get it right away. You can do the personal card and the business card. And already just from that, you're going to meet the criteria to being able to start your companion pass off right. Now, at our program, we also teach you how to set up a business and get you qualified for business credit so that you can qualify for this particular business card. So if that's something that you're interested in, click the link below, sign up for a free consultation, and we will guide you through that process as well. So some considerations before diving in. Remember, eligibility and approval for both the personal and business credit cards are essential. You can only hold one personal Southwest card at a time, but obtaining both a personal and a business card is a very common strategy. Points must be earned within a single calendar year. So timing your applications and spending is also crucial. If you're noticing that in December that you're getting ready to hit that 135,000 points, you're gonna wanna wait until January, hit it then, so then you can make sure you get almost 2 years worth of benefits, okay? So points must be earned within a single calendar year. Ensure that you understand which activities count towards the companion pass, because not all points are eligible. So once earned, adding your companion is straightforward through the Southwest website. You're allowed up to 3 companion changes per year. So if you break up with your girlfriend, you break up with your boyfriend, you have 3 different ways that you can go switch them out 3 different times. So hopefully you don't go through that 3 different times. Or if you just have 3 kids and you want to take one of your kids, or then you want to take another one of your kids, or so forth, and you can do it that way, or different friends, you can do it that way. So 3 companion changes per 1 year. Facilitating flexibility is who you choose to bring along. So always remember that there's no blackout dates, there's no restrictions. As long as there's seats available, you're good. So companion flies with you at the cost of the taxes and fees, and you're good. So it's a great benefit, you guys. I hope you got some value out of that. I know that it is done wonders for me when I use it. So I travel from LA to Las Vegas, and I'm able to take my companion with me for free, or we can go up to Sacramento or San Francisco from LA on a one-way and also travel for free. So definitely recommend it. Once again, if you need help getting qualified on the personal credit cards or the actual business credit cards and setting up your business, we can help you with that as well. So by watching this video all the way through, you are now granted VIP access into our school community, where we talk about everything from travel to credit to acquiring assets in real estate to be able to help you be able to live a more abundant and free life. So use the title of this video to be able to grant you access to our free community group, and we look forward to seeing you on one of the next videos. Thank you for stopping by. Please hit the like, share, and notification button so that you can continue to get content like this in the future. Peace.